Bitcoin. What is it? Well, with a bunch of fancy words, Bitcoin is a form of cryptocurrency created by blockchain. Did you understand any of that? No, I didn't either at first. So I had to read a little bit, and I learned a little bit, and I had to kind of dive in and get used to it. I'm still learning all the lingo, protocols, but that's Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin is just another form of money. We all love money. Money's been around for a long, long time. Basically, money used to pay people, counts as currency, we count it as valuable, people use it all over the world, and we find it as a popular source of currency in the United States and around the world as a whole. Now, there's also other forms of currency. Also, there's, the European dollar, there's the yen, there's, Mexican or Spanish coins. There's just all kinds of currency. And then there's cryptocurrencies. So you have your online currency, and then you have your paper or in-person or real-world currency, so to speak. The thing about Bitcoin becoming so popular and these cryptocurrencies that are popping up becoming so popular is that they're not going to be controlled by any form of government or any banking system. Unlike the US dollar that we're so used to having today, it can be printed out at any given time in a rush to help fix a market crash or, a recession or correction in the market or something going on, a big catastrophe. The government just prints more money to try to solve the issue. Cryptocurrencies take a lot longer to make and create. Bitcoin cannot just be printed off in just a matter of minutes, and there's thousands more Bitcoins to be produced. That's why they're so valuable and hold such a value, is because they can't be copied or produced quickly. Now Bitcoin, I'm going to say Bitcoin a lot because it's the number one banked and traded cryptocurrency out there, right along with the others. Ethereum, Litecoin, Zcash is up there pretty good, and also, there's the District Ox and Cosmos, Compound. There's a few others, just to name a few. And you can use apps like CoinDesk, Robinhood, Cash App to buy these cryptocurrencies. All right, it's not a dark web type of thing. Years and years ago, people looked at cryptocurrencies as a way to buy illegal stuff on the internet, and that's further from the truth. That's not, Bitcoin was originally created, and cryptocurrencies was originally created around 2008, 2009, 2007 maybe era, in the hopes of bringing security and basically a open ledger book. That's basically all a cryptocurrency is. It's a form of blockchain. Blockchain is a online ledger bookkeeping form. It's really the basics of blockchain. Now, Bitcoin being the most popular one because it was one of the first created ones, and also it hit mainstream back in 2000 and I would say 18 when it got to close to $20,000 per Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is standing around $16,000, and that doesn't mean you have to buy one whole Bitcoin. You can buy a slice of the pie, or you could buy a 10%, a 50%. You can buy the whole thing, and the price will go up and down, just like stocks. Somewhat like stocks, I would say cryptocurrencies are, except they're not managed by any one company or organization or federation. So before I go too off track, Bitcoin, again, it's just a form of cryptocurrency, just like the US dollar is a form of currency. Bitcoin was created by BlockChain, which is basically a ledger of sorts, and a way to keep track of things on the internet. Now, cryptocurrencies, again, are not controlled by any bank or government. They cannot just be produced and printed at a mass. People who want to use and spend cryptocurrencies can just go online, choose the ones they want, purchase it, and hold on to it, or they can trade it for other cryptos, or they can spend it wherever it's deemed possible and pay. They can buy things like items, clothes, they can pay bills, or they can buy tickets. They can, do whatever you would want to do normally with your money. Bitcoin has quickly become a way of investing for the future and managing and diversifying your portfolio as far as having money put away. Over time, the prices should and generally will go up on the currencies, just like the stock market. The sooner you buy in at an early time and the more it raises, the better off you are. Now, obviously, if it goes up and you buy it at a high price and it comes back down, you're gonna have to wait till it goes back up there again. Okay, so, and I'm no expert in this. Like I said, I'm somebody who just likes to read a lot and get into something. If I'm curious about it or not sure about it, I want to get in. And this probably just could be 6 or 7 minutes of me talking about Bitcoin and blockchain, and hopefully trying to get you guys to understand a little bit of it. And like I said, I'm still learning, but just to get you gist, Bitcoin, like I said, is a cryptocurrency. It's a form of cryptocurrency. There's a bunch of cryptocurrencies out there, and you can go online and you can purchase these cryptocurrencies and hold on to them and trade them and purchase other things with them. Feel free to go online, Google cryptocurrency, maybe order a book on it and get more involved in it. The experts say that it's going to be one of the leading currencies in the future, and it's becoming more of a commodity or becoming more valuable than gold is at the moment. So look into it. As far as junk removal related, it has to do with when you make some extra money or you're having a good week and you've got a little extra money left over and you're putting in your bank to save for your business. You could invest that into other gear. You could invest that into t-shirts, equipment, advertising, which might produce customers and produce more money. You can also put it away in bonds and CDs, ETFs, and Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies for hopes that in the future, if you do need some money, you can pull that away from the cryptocurrency, from the market, and have your little extra money and maybe make some money while it was sitting there. But that's that, guys. Bitcoin, just like Litecoin and Ethereum, they're a form of cryptocurrencies that are available right now on CoinDesk and Cash App and Robinhood and a bunch of other cryptocurrency apps, guys. So get on there, get familiar, and just do your research. Right now in 2020, it is becoming more and more popular to talk about these things. So get on board, get involved, don't be losing out, and get informed.